What's up, YouTubers? Kamusta kayo mga kabaltik? Come on and join me on my morning hike going to Escondido Canyon Trail and Waterfalls here in Malibu. Samahan niyo po mga kabaltik. Tayo'y mag-hiking para gumanda ang sirkulasyon ng dugo. Here's some rules, of course, to keep this place clean and beautiful. So as we go along, let's just enjoy the scenery over here, the Santa Monica Mountains, and these beautiful yellow flowers. Very nice. Uh-oh, I gotta be careful on this one. I don't want to step on it. That's a very good fertilizer though. May jackpot pa. Pero magandang pataba yun sa lupa, di ba? Yeah, I can see water now. It means we're getting closer to the waterfalls. Malapit-lapit na tayo sa ating destinasyon. This is it. Dito na tayo mga kabaltik. Medyo wala nga lang masyadong tubig ngayon. Pero okay lang. Maganda pa rin. Not much water right now, but it's still nice and cool. Alright, salamat sa panonood. Thank you for watching and be safe everyone.